Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened the file and you're ready to capture a region. Start by selecting the Snapshot or Selection tool in your PDF app. If you're an Adobe reader, choose Edit Take a Snapshot. On Mac, use Preview Selection. Once the tool is active, zoom so text or image is clear and position the window to avoid cropping. Make sure you have clipboard access. This first step sets image fidelity and prevents repeated captures, so get framing right before you click and drag. Now you'll perform the actual snapshot. Click at one corner, drag to encompass the content, and release. Most apps immediately copy the selection to the clipboard or open a dialog to save. If nothing appears, try the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or CMD+C after the selection. Once copied, paste into an image editor or document to verify dimensions and clarity. Make sure you save a working file version. This step is where you choose format and resolution, so the image remains usable for printing or sharing. Finish by pasting the snapshot into an image editor or word processor, then export as PNG or JPEG, or place it into a new PDF and export that file. This preserves layout and metadata. If you need print quality output, export at 300 dpi or higher. If the PDF app won't let you take a snapshot, check security settings or use your system screenshot tool as a fallback. Sometimes permissions or protected PDFs prevent copying, so try an alternate viewer or print a PDF to bypass restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.